Pachmarhi, come. Rajendragiri Sunset Point. It's a lovely, beautiful sunset point where you can come in the evening, enjoy and witness the beautiful sunset, take wonderful pictures with your friends, with your family, have a good time indeed. And yeah, the best part about this point is that it is easily accessible. You don't need to hire a local gypsy to reach to this point. And yeah, it is just a few kilometers from the city center. You can easily search this place on your Google Maps, and yeah, it's just like I guess 3.5 to 4 kilometers from the city center. So yeah, and yeah, after you enjoy the local scenery and the beautiful sunset, take amazing Instagrammable pictures, you can enjoy quick bites, local quick bites that you get right outside this point. So for now, let's go check out the sunset.
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all this.
Okay, so currently we have come to the Bison Lodge, and the thing is, there are some places in Pachmarhi where you can only go by gypsy. So you can come to Bison Lodge, book a gypsy from that place, right? And also this is a complete forest area, so you need permission and ticket for it, that you can buy it from here as well. So to roam around in places, first come to Bison Lodge, get your gypsy book, get your forest tickets done, and then roam.
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
We actually came to Apsara waterfall, but the thing it is very steep stairs down the road. It's like 1.5 kilometers down the hill and then 1.5 kilometers up the hill, and we had some senior citizens with us, so we could not, you know, ask our elders to go through this steep trek. So maybe next time.
Let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
Pandav caves. Well, there are basically 5 caves. It's a small hill, a mountain you can say, and you just come here, climb over here, see the whole view, and that's it. And if you want to know the historic significance of this place, you can definitely hire a guide just at the gate. So yeah, just come here, take good pictures, get into the history, and that's it.
You'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Well, when you come to Fall, there's like few steps, I would say around approximately 100 steps down. You come to this waterfall where there are like a lot of people chilling and relaxing, and this is the thing.
You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low.
Dhoopgarh, not only it's an epic sunset point, but the ride to there is crazy and full on adventures, and you get that kind of crazy views. Since Dhoopgarh is the highest point in Pachmarhi, well, not only in Pachmarhi, it is the highest point in MP. You really cannot come by your own vehicle. You really do need gypsy, because the climb or the road is very steep and your normal vehicle won't go.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Bummer. Well, we came to see the sunset, but there is no sun. It is way too cloudy, so no sunset. But anyways, I literally gotta show you the sunset from this point. I do have some footage from last time I came over here, so it goes here in 3, 2, 1. Although the sun has set, but the spot is pretty epic for very nice Instagrammable pics. So come to here and take those Instagram pics.
Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
In Pachmarhi, there are 3 temples of Mahadev, that is of Lord Shiva. One is Temple Mahadev, one is Gupt Mahadev, and the last one is Chauragarh. All these 3 temples lie on the same way. So if you are planning to come on visit all these 3 temples, you can just plan in one go. But the road till here is very tricky. So unless you are a pro driver, do not attempt to come, because the ghats are very steep. So if you can drive, then it's good. And also Chauragarh, it's like 17 to 1800 steps up the hike and then it's down the steps. So unless you are very fit and you're up for a trek and adventure, then only go to Chauragarh. Har Har Mahadev! To go to the Mahadev temple, you need to go from this cave. This is the way to go and that's the way to come in, and it's very narrow passage. Only one person can go at a time, and there is a kund in between. Can you see, these are all other stones that people come here and stack the stones on one on the other, and it is said that these all are the houses that people have made. So the bigger the stack of stones is there, the bigger is going to be a house. That's just a cute faith people have. Well, we also built one. you also get fresh mangoes right from the tree. Handikho, Eco Point.
The days go by like a flicker of a switch, but I can't wait any longer for this.
Priyadarshini Point. Well, it is right ahead of Handikho. So when you're planning to come to Handikho, you can plan your trip to Priyadarshini Point as well. The way till here is a little tricky, so you gotta be careful while driving. And yeah, one thing that was a little disappointing, well, when we researched on the internet, it showed that this is an sunset point, but it is actually an eco point. So yeah, but otherwise, kudos to the beautiful view and woohoo! So, in short, Pachmarhi is a beautiful hill station that you really got to visit. It's like a good place for like 2 or 3 days. You can come, chill, relax, have good food, and yeah, have good time. But just keep one thing in mind, that please do book a good resort, because you know usually there is not such a fun nightlife over here. So whatever time you're going to be spending in the evening is going to be at your resort. So make sure you have a beautiful resort, and also if possible, book all your like breakfast, lunch, dinner over in the resort, so that you don't have to hunt for food. And do come to this place.
Oh,